Hello everyone, lamsoko jotono chini okokbrok explain video channel o hengkai taklai je ketal government degree college o admission engjaknai rokni bagui saklaimung je 2026 ni 12 amjok mungni pass out engjak rokni bagui belai no sujuk kaham tubujak ge je major courses in BA, BSc te BCom nahari porinai mujungnai rok norok bahai ke online o apply khai mannai obono sajaknai ge norok summer portal o website ni bisingti khaioi norok ni admission ni online apply khaijagui mannai okay and ang norok no sanai je bufru ni simi bufru date wise bahai ke application form no norok nainai thangnai obo sanai nga puila norokni submission of online application summer portal niwo o bisingti norok habui nai obo 29 May 2026 to 7 June 2026 omsuk jora last date okay first to last date jorang nai nga obon horni 12 o'clock jora active tongnai jen 29 ni simi chengei 7 June jora norokni admission ni time okay and then norokni merit list onkhor jaknai tei je students select ungjak rokni mung first round abo bufru mannai abo sawano engai first round norok admission college ni website tei non te bake tei college of board notice board o rejaknai engai obo 19 June 2026 o norok nukmannai aboni pore sakbai thang norok college ni thangui first round admission gui mannai oboni date hingke 22 June 2026 to 23 June 2026 jorani bisingo hingke norok oro poriwi naimannai je ang samani mungsasuk rok bul tongkha norok no clear khai hai mano norok English kaham ke bujiwi porina hati what am I saying first round ni pore khaino vacancy list publish khaijaknai obo subject wise vacancy asuknai tei je college ni website ni notice board o naimannai and obo 24 June 2026 songnai then second round admission norok sak bai thangno thangui college o admission ungui na nangnai 25 June 2026 to 29 June 2026 oro holidays rok bo khopjago tei second round admission paikhe norok no vacancy list mane khai norok bo college o klai kha naimannai abo hingke 30 June 2026 o then third round admission oro norok sakbai thangno thangui college o admission ungui manai 1 June 2026 to 2 June 2026 norok 2 dinini jor mannai engkai third round admission paimani ulo khai norokni mung list onkhorjaknai 1st July 2026 to 2 July 2026 ni bisingo okay I have been telling this then list and last round admission after norok college o kaham khai thangui jomaribui admission ungui mannai 4 July 2026 to 6 July 2026 o jaga holiday rok bo khopjago bondo din rok bo tongoi mano ga omsukno joto application online mutui khaino mangno summer portal tikai naijaknai tei registration khlaibai mani pore maximum 4 colleges tei college ni 2 major khai norok select khaina harmannai okay norok jefru registration khaiglak da afru o charta college moto select khai manai o charta college ni bisingo nung bomo select khaina aboni ni uporo nung kaisa college no phano charta jaga o bumuri mano abo buni ni abo ichha haipano nung charta jaga select khaikanga nung je wansukmani college nung habai mano haya dupa eyo bahai engai registration ni jorao hingkai norok email ID and mobile number norok ni nijini email ID tei mobile tongkhe to tei bo kaham norok nijini tongkhe enga abo haike norok riwi mannai enga tei norok ni aadhar card marksheet class 12 ni marksheet okay and they passport size photo haifan norok je norong ni document tong mani omot langai thangke belai no sanai jefru pano nang khangkai ri mana bagai he de ba omsungno hambai jotono rengsreng tunai rong no je omokhnai tongnai rong total update man fiken rong no te sajak finai kerengoi tong de o channel bai bye bye